Whether you're a business owner or a bookkeeper, you've probably heard about automated bookkeeping. Automated bookkeeping uses artificial intelligence, or AI, as well as machine learning to help speed up your bookkeeping tasks. In today's podcast episode, I dig deeper into what automated bookkeeping is and how you can start utilizing these practices in your business to be more efficient. If you're already utilizing automatic bookkeeping, you know how much time it can save you. But make sure that you're doing everything you can to ensure that your data is accurate. I'll cover how you can refine your processes and prepare yourself for the future so that you're taking advantage of all the benefits that come along with automated bookkeeping. Whether you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, small business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, you know how time-consuming your bookkeeping can be. Listen in so that you can learn how to let automated bookkeeping work for you so that your bookkeeping entries get made even when you're not working on it. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support, with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements. Let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post the link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back. Automated bookkeeping. Does this sound like a dream come true for you? It surely would make doing your own bookkeeping a much easier task. However, there's a lot of business owners and bookkeepers who are still on the fence about utilizing automated bookkeeping to help them save time. I totally understand where you're coming from, and if you feel this way, you're not alone. You've probably heard before how the computers are going to take over the world, or how robots will eliminate all of our jobs. But rest assured, these computers and robots, they still need our help. Let me start by explaining what automated bookkeeping is. Throughout this podcast, I'll be referencing the automated bookkeeping solutions that you can get with QuickBooks Online, but other computerized bookkeeping solutions are similar. When you process your bookkeeping data using an automated bookkeeping system, you're using artificial intelligence, or AI, to complete your data entry for you. This artificial intelligence, along with machine learning, can take your normal manual data entry and automatically record your transactions for you. The benefits of utilizing automatic bookkeeping are that you're able to minimize your data entry time, provide you with real-time data, reduce errors if set up properly, generate more accurate reports, and allow you to be more productive with your business. All these benefits are great, but you must also be aware of the drawbacks. With automated bookkeeping, you need to make sure that your system is set up properly. These automations are driven by rules that you need to create. If you don't create them properly, your information will not be accurate. Like I always say, garbage in is garbage out. So you need to spend some time up front to get the reliable information that you're looking for. You also need to make sure that you have a good review process in place, and if you catch any errors, you want to make sure that you're fixing them quickly to prevent errors in the future. When you utilize automatic bookkeeping in a computerized software system like QuickBooks Online, you can set up your bank accounts and your credit cards to automatically bring in your bank feeds. When you set up your rules, it will follow these rules and record your transactions for you. Think about all the transactions that you have in your business and how much time this could save you by having them recorded for you. You could also take this automation one step further and attach a scanned image of the transaction so that you have it on file for the future. It's extremely important for you to understand how and why each transaction that you have automated is recorded so that you can make changes along the way if needed. Let's say, for example, if you make an update to your chart of accounts down the road, you'll also need to know where you need to go to make sure that any future transactions get properly recorded as well. If all of this talk about automations make you nervous, I want you to know that it doesn't have to be an all or nothing process for you. You could simply take just a few transactions and set up the rules for these automations. I would recommend you follow how these couple of transactions move throughout your bookkeeping system, and when you feel comfortable with the transactions, add a few more until you have all of your transactions automated. Once you have your transactions automated, it means you no longer have to spend days or weeks manually entering all of your transactions before you can close your books for the month or generate your financial statements. You'll be more efficient by reducing the time-consuming, repetitive data entry. What could you do with the time that you save in your business? How much is that time worth to you? Where could you be more productive or add value in other high-priority areas in your business? Would you like more time to work on your business development rather than your bookkeeping? These automations can help you do just that. Computer bookkeeping solutions like QuickBooks Online are built for business owners without an accounting background so that you're able to do your own bookkeeping and collaborate easily with your accountant, CPA, or tax preparer. It allows you to spend less time on data entry and is, in general, more accurate. We as humans are prone to making mistakes, but artificial intelligence takes each transaction and processes it in the exact same way each time that it occurs, which reduces mistakes as long as you have everything set up correctly from the beginning. This is why I recommend setting up reminders and processes to verify and review your transactions to ensure accuracy. Automated bookkeeping is definitely helping you as a business owner take control of doing your own bookkeeping, but most business owners still need a little help from a bookkeeper or a CPA when they run into questions that they're unsure of. This is exactly why I designed the Strategic Bookkeeping Academy. It helps you as a business owner or bookkeeper get the best of both worlds. You're able to save money by doing your own bookkeeping, but you still have the opportunity to ask questions along your bookkeeping journey when you need it. Business owners and bookkeepers are able to join the Strategic Bookkeeping Academy for one price, and at this time, you'll also get lifetime access. You're guided all the way through your bookkeeping journey from the setup, which includes learning how to utilize automated bookkeeping, as I discussed in this episode, all the way through maximizing your results and understanding what your financial statements are telling you about your business. You might be wondering how this solution will help save you money. Well, when you do your own bookkeeping, you no longer need to pay to have your data entry or your bookkeeping done each month, and you'll benefit from the savings year after year. Let's take a look at an example over the next 5 years. If you paid someone $300 a month to do your bookkeeping and your data entry, you'd be paying $18,000 over these 5 years. By eliminating these fees and joining us in the Strategic Bookkeeping Academy, you'd save at least $16,000 over these 5 years. And every year after you initially join us, your savings would be 100% of the fees that you typically would have paid. In this case, you'd be saving $3,600 a year. The Strategic Bookkeeping Academy is the solution that you've been looking for so that you are able to take advantage of the artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning or any other bookkeeping process that you decide is best for your business. Save you time, be more efficient, and know that you have a trusted CPA there to help you understand your financial statements, answer your bookkeeping questions, and make sure that you're able to have timely and reliable financial and bookkeeping information. You'll have lifetime access to the Strategic Bookkeeping Academy when you join us now. So what would you do with a $3,600 savings in your business every year? I'm excited for you to join us, so if you want more information, if you're curious to learn more, or you can't wait to join us in the Strategic Bookkeeping Academy, you can go to financialadventure.com/SBA. I'm looking forward to seeing you inside the program. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and bookkeepers where you're listening to this podcast and in the show notes. And I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you will take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.